Hi everybody! As you know that Figma has just released some new, amazing, wonderful and practical features and updates. We are going to review all of them and test them together. So stay tuned. In this video, we are going to work on draw. Let's see what is that. So on this panel on the bottom, if you see that here is draw, when you click on that, you will notice some changes here. Yeah, a pen, brush, and also a pencil. Okay, so let's go and see what can we do with them. For example, I choose pen, or I can select P on the keyboard. Here I can draw, I don't know, a shape. That is not important what. For example, I want to do these things, yeah? And then finish. So let me change the color of stroke. Yeah, red is okay. For example, I want to draw 2 stars. Yeah, this one. And also another one. Yeah, you can do these things with the pen. That's very interesting. You could do that also before with the pen. The next one, the next tool is a brush. We are going to see them, their features also step by step. Let's see them. The next one is a brush. For example, let me change the color of blue. See, you can draw something. Here, you can see different types of brushes. For example, Blockbuster, Grindhouse, yeah, and others. And of course, when you click them, here you can have some settings. You can change the opacity, I don't know, the thickness, and too many other things, yeah? And the next one is pen. For example, let me draw it with green. Yeah, that's the pen. So nice. So these are these 3 things. But if you select each shapes and press enters, you can edit them, yeah? Editing tools options, vector editing tools, in addition to existing tools for editing your shapes like bend, paint bucket, and generate image. Yeah. So let's see what are them. We have shape builder, we have lasso tools, and so on. The first one is lasso tools. See, if we press Q or select this one, that's look like in Photoshop we have that. For example, you can select these dots. Yeah. I select these 4 dots together, then you can make, yeah, stretch it, or for the radius, excuse me, see, just the dots we have selected change its radius. See that? Or for example, I choose these 2 stars, then press enter, then press Q for choosing the lasso. Then I choose these 4 dots here. Yeah. Then again, for example, the radius. See, or I can stretch it. That's very amazing and very interesting. Yeah. The next one is shape builder. Yeah. What is shape builder, guys? So I use the Figma's eclipses and so to see. Let's see what can we do with shape builder. For example, first of all, let's do it with these stars. I select this one, press enter, and this one for shape builder we can press M. Yeah. If you go on this star, you see, you can have this, and near the arrow for the mouse pointer there is a plus button. Yeah. So if we select this one and this one, or drag from here, see, there is a line there. We can mix them, or they will merge. See, this one and this one and this one. Yeah, that's amazing. Yes. For example, here, this one. First of all, we have to select it. Press enter, then press M. See, this one together. And when you press Alt, you can see that near the pointer we can see the negative icon. Yeah. So select this one, it will be deleted. Yeah. So without that, when you draw, they will merge. When you press Alt, you can delete the part. Yeah, that's interesting, yes? For example, I select this star, press Enter, then again press M, see, merge them. Or I press Alt, then see. Yeah, this will happen. For example, here, from these two circles, yeah, I can have a moon, guys. So I select this one, press Enter, see, and then press M to have shape builder. When you delete that, see, you have two moons. Yeah? And also you can delete also this one. Press Enter, this one, and M. Finally, that's done. Yeah, you can have a very, very beautiful moon here. Or from these 5 shapes, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 5, yeah. We want to remove these things. Press Enter, yeah, and hold, and then press M to have shape builder, and then we will hold Alt. So, that is wonderful, isn't it? I really enjoyed it, and that is very amazing. So this is the shape builder, this is the lasso tools. Also see that when we click here we can have the image, yeah, make an image. For example, ball, and then click that. Let's see what will happen. See, this is the result. In our shape, we can have a ball, yeah? So when we select this star and then select here, then shape, you can make an image with AI tools which Figma has prepared for us. That is also amazing. So shape builder, repeat transforms. What is that, guys? So for example, I have this star here, yeah? I have this star here. Now I click it. On the right panel here, this icon, this circle, when you select it, you can see that radial repeat and linear repeat. When you press on the radial repeat, see, that would be like a circle. When you click on that, you can edit that. How many circles? 7, how many stars? See, that would be very nice shapes. And also you can select the gaps. Yeah. Also the other one, yeah. For example, this one. I select this moon here, select this, sorry, Ctrl Z. I choose linear repeat. Yeah, that is this one, the result. So you can select it, number of repeats, or you can also change the repeats, that is horizontal or vertical. Also, you can have both of them. For example, this is a linear, a radial repeat. So you click again, and then you can have linear repeat. Yeah. Amazing, yes? That is wonderful. That is repeat transforms. The other things I want to mention is rotation. What is rotation, guys? For example, I'd want to draw a star here. Let me select it, draw a star here. Yeah. So when you go here and we want to rotate it, when you wait some seconds, see, select some seconds, see that something will appear here. You can change it here and see the result. Our shape will rotate from there. Or you can bring it here. Our shape will rotate from here, yeah? Or here, for example. See, that is amazing, yes? That is wonderful. That is the rotation. Pattern fill. What is pattern fill? So again, I used this from Figma. That is the rabbit. For example, I select the shirt of the rabbit. We can do also with our shapes also, yeah? We can select the rabbit shirt. Here we have some, for example, shapes, yeah? Here, fill. I select here. There is a pattern. Select this, select source. See, the ducks will come here. For example, for the pants, again, I go to the pattern, select the source, and this is my source. That is the new things that Figma has just released. Very nice, very, very interesting. The next one is what? Is create brush. What's that? So as you see that, we have some brushes here, yeah? But maybe I want to have my own brush. I draw something, for example, with pen, or with pen I write, for example, love. Or with pen, sorry, with pencil, I mean. I write, for example, love here, yeah? That's for me. So when I right click on that, see here I can see create brush. Then I select this one, select brush. Now, when you go to the brush and come here, you can see it has added to your, I don't know, brushes, see? Oh, the color is white because of that, see? That's your brush, yeah? For example, this one, that's a pen. Right click on that, create brush, select the stretch. And then when I draw a frame, here I choose brush, and then here I have the pen. See? That's amazing. The nice things, I really love it, is text on path. I think that is very, very useful. You can use in many, many projects. For example, I draw the circle, then I press T. When you go here, guys, see, look at the cursor. Look at the cursor. Let me select. Let me draw it again. Eclipse. Yeah. Look at the circle. You can do that on any shapes. Yeah. For example, this one. I press T. That is wonderful, yeah? These are the draw updates which Figma has released. So stay with us. In the next video, you can see, yeah, the Figma grades. That is very, very interesting, and I want to say game changer. So see that video. If you like this video, like it and give us a heart. Thank you very much, Demo.